We are continuing now with the I Ching reading books, and this will be number 7, and it will be in the I Ching studies folder. The one we did before, we were working on this one by The Secret Language of Serpents. And what we said was when she gets to lines, she will tell you the transforms into shadow. Now, what's interesting is in number 18, uh, you have corruption, and the first line tells you about what that is when you're in that line. And then when it says go to shadow, what that means is go to hexagram 26 one. So what that means is when you go to hexagram 26, that will be the hexagram that you get when that one line changes. So you will notice that hexagram. Well, the bottom line, which was broken, now becomes the bottom line, which is solid, and the rest of the lines remain the same. So the next one is called restraint. In the Oracle script, the golden girdle, gravity, pressure makes diamonds, and this is called within the limits. And then, of course, there's a quote underneath the drawing and so forth. But what's interesting about this, when you get to line 1, this, when you look at the shadow, brings you back to 18:1, which you just left. But if you happen to read both lines, that is the line of 18, the first line, what it means, and then you go to this hexagram and read this line, what it means, even though it didn't change, it will tell you its opposite inference, why it has changed, and what it would be if it had not changed, and so forth. So, and then, of course, this one refers you back to 18 months. So they all do this. Every line will take you to the next hexagram if that line changes, and also will take you back to the previous hexagram. But what's nice about this, you can also read that particular line, and it will show you what it is about. Now, there also is an index in this, which is quite helpful. So if you want to find out any word in this index, it will take you to the page where you can find it. Then, of course, you have to read through that page and you will find it. But it's quite a good index. And if you use that, it will take you to some really good insights. And then there's a bibliography, of course, which is very good because it gives you all kinds of things, not only about the I Ching, but about serpents and so forth. And then she's also got notes on some of these that she will show you as well. So, and that is very good. Another thing. So we will continue this in a bit. This is the finishing of number 7.